Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best Faucet website. You can claim your Litecoin from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you this much to this much Litecoin every 3 minutes. It's very easy to claim. Go to your deposit, copy your Litecoin wallet address from here, just come here and paste it. Okay, and just click start claiming. Just after the claim start claiming, this one log in you with this you will be your Litecoin wallet address. You have two choice. First one is winner, sure, it's you can see instantly this much Litecoin. The next one is the random. I choose random. Okay, and the next one is congratulations, you win this one. Just select the car image. This one is a car. Okay, and just click continue. Just click this one too, and complete capture. Just solve this little capture to get your Litecoin to your website. Okay, and this website send me my Litecoin to my website. This is very easy way you can earn your free Litecoin. You can see this much Litecoin I earn, and if the Litecoin price come down, this website pay you much more. Right now the Litecoin price is very high. About that, this website pay me this much. Okay, and you can claim after 3 minutes. It's very easy. After every 3 minutes you can come back and reload the page and you can claim again. Okay, this is the referral link. The referral link into description. You can click and you can randomly 20 times earn. At the next, after 20 time to 100 time is claim 100 satoshi, and after 100 time this website didn't pay you anything. Okay, just 100 time you can claim your free Faucet. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.